Good of you. You're mad with you now. Now we are going to fight.
Hey. If you beat me, good for you. But if I beat you, you will not live to remember today.
Hey! Round 1, fight! Wow. You got water.
What's up, my people? On a day to the sub, it's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another episode of my comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to watch to the very end, because trust me, this is gonna be epic. You will love it. So subscribe, drop nice comments, and share this video. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Spend your money wisely. Spend your money wisely. Japan don't arrive for Nigeria. One naira cheat me go my mama no day. Okay, they feel this polo. We are for neck, you go feel am. This is where they say that it's like early morning grape, but try am. I move. Jesus. See that close to the road so 4-5.
Jesus.
Your salary 5,000. How much remain? 500.
500.
Oh man. Bros, you caused this rubbish. If you're not buying, you get out now.
I will buy now.
You pay me or I no go laugh.
Celebrate.
People enter another fight. For sure now, I am close. You know, carry around. But as you move, I don't know what's going on here.
Ejima.
That's me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Wow. Are they twins?
Yes, Daddy.
I like them. How are you people now?
We are fine, sir.
Wonderful. And I'm talking like AI.
Brodda, please.
Ada, what are they here for?
Daddy, they actually came to ask for my hand in marriage.
Are you serious?
Clap.
Wow. So finally we'll get things for this family.
Yes.
God, thank you. Wonderful, I like it, eh?
Thank you, sir.
So which of you is there to marry my daughter?
The both of us, sir.
I know now, that's why we are here. But which of you in particular wants to marry my container?
The both of us, sir.
How is that possible?
Both of you, how I don't understand.
When they give birth to us, we were used to doing things together, from sleeping, going to the toilet, going to school. So we agreed that when we grow up, we're going to marry just one wife, sir.
Hey! Oh, like a threesome marriage. And Ada, you are cool with it, Abi?
That's fine.
That's fine by you. It's also fine by me. Wait, let me go and get you people something, eh?
Thank you, sir.
1 minute, eh?
The kind of one I go run now. How to press
Just like that. Your father is very nice. Ha! See money! Ijima, what's happening now?
We're actually joking. It's a prank.
Prank?
It's my twin brother here that wants to marry your daughter. We just came to test you to see if you have anger issues.
I know now, eh? I'm a very quiet man now. My daughter knows.
Yes, he's a very nice person.
So, sir, please, you help us manage this small token, eh?
For me?
Yes, sir, for you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, what are you hiding?
Nothing is here now, nothing is here. Give me my brother.
No, sir. There's something with the other hand. Let us see, sir.
Why did they worry you or go kill you?
Daddy, show my husband. Let's see. Show me.
Jesus! Don't run now. Why are you running?
So what are you doing with the cutlass?
Cutlass? No, this is not cutlass now.
What is that?
Not cake now.
What's going on here?
See now. Jesus! Take it. Feed your husband.
He said to take.
5 years of madness.
Is it, Abi?
Is it though?
Let's go inside.
He's a liar. A very bad liar.
This guy doesn't know
Mombadi nanga. Oh yeah.
God have
So go mbona wewe. Mbona wewe.
You don't know why it's going on.
You think it's a joke?
What this girl I be want for?
Devil has been waiting for you since to fail. And you just carry your destiny, give it to him, and say, bro.
Auntie Shabi, you don't see when you know they see.
Hello, watch me.
Who are those?
How is Castina? Oh, sorry, it's Cardina. I'm so sorry. Bale. Thank you for your service, darling. Thank you for your service. Bale, baby, me.
Wait, are you married?
Why would you say that?
Because you just referred to someone as darling on the phone right now.
Oh, come on. That's my sister now. Yeah, boss. She's a soldier. Of course, you're going to be my wife now. So who else is the wife?
Are you sure?
I'm not married. If I want to marry anybody, it's going to be you. My wife. Aren't you going to be my wife?
Of course, babe.
Fuck, my wife?
Morning, sir! Ajuaya.
What the fuck?
What's going on, babe?
Who the fuck is your babe?
You are my babe.
What the...
Shut up! Is it my boss you're talking to like that? Go on, punish you!
This how not punish me? Is it already punishing me?
I think you sleep in the garden.
I know. I'm asking you.
Shut up! Go on, punish you!
Sharp.
God help me now, that day.
You score me free kick.
You first call me heading. I say, no, man, they score heading, no man thing. Now you score me free kick for middle of field. 5 p.m. after they play game, I never score free kick once. Ha!
I will not score free kick again.
Not they touch me, oh.
Take that, oh. Hey! I was with Lama Lufkin. For what?
What is up, Obama?
I tell you, you know they use this a woman play. Why you can't carry it down?
How many people they play game? Because they score me free kick.
See life. Now, Mortal Kombat, me and my woman they play. We they play Mortal Kombat. She carries of 0, now I carry Lukin. She give Lukin uppercut. Boom! Now he neck shit.
Before I know, you don't give up for 100.
Don't go even break a mouth. The thing now break. Lukin will be hospitalized. Lukin not my game again.
So why you go to beat man? When they play Mortal Kombat, you can't look at it then when you fall on uppercut.
Now wow. You're mad with it. You kill Lukin away from my game. Now she's feeling she can deal with me on the real life. I will beat you red, blue, and black.
No, while I'm on balance. Don't settle your own fate before I settle my own. No, leave my place.
Where you go, score man? You dey play gamble?
It's called free kick for you.
Good of you.
You're mad with it now. Now we are going to fight.
Hey. If you beat me, good for you. But if I beat you, you will not live to remember today.
Hey! Round 1, fight!
You get water.
My guy.
I'm Naija now.
Naija deal with the push down now. Is that Baba Yemi? Yes, sir. Give me the phone.
Agkaay.
Get out of my face.
How you doing, sir?
You're not okay. Oh, you're okay.
Ever since you left this country, you've never checked up on me for once. It's only your friend you are talking to. Do you know I can talk to the authority over there that they should deport you and they will deport you?
It's work. We're always busy here.
Oh yeah, send me money. Send me dollars. Send me a lot of dollars.
Don't worry, I'll send you $2,000.
Okay. I have OPay. Put in my OPay.
We don't use OPay, yeah. I will send it to Kayode, so we'll forward it to you.
When?
I will send it as soon as you end this call.
Okay, go and send it now. No, I've ended the call. Go and send it now.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, but he's going to send the money now. What about anything? I'm coming.
Oh, they strong. Has he sent it? No. Has he sent the money? Not yet. No. Gaga. What is send there? No. No. Jesus. Has he sent the money?
No. How will I tell this man that I've spent the money?
I got 21 bullets inside of this clip and I'm ready to unload this bitch.
I call your fine and he said he has sent the money since yesterday.
Yes.
Why are you stressing me? Put in my open. Why are you stressing me?
He sent it through gift cards.
Gift card.
He sent different 5 gift cards, sir.
Okay. Sephora, Google Play, Steam, Xbox, Apple.
And trust me, sir, it's going to take about 8 months before we can turn it to Naira.
Jesus. Sorry, what do you mean 8 months? Why should I wait for 8 months when I have Dream Team China?
Yes, Dream Team China is the trusted and most reliable gift card brand in the market. All the gift cards I just mentioned now, if we give it to them, they will credit us instantly. They buy any type of gift card. They also buy Bitcoin. They have Cash App, PayPal, anything that you want to receive money from abroad. They have it. So give me the gift card. Let's go and trade with them.
What's going on here?
Sir, the money has died for us. What do you mean by that? Like, gone. You'll be gone also. Oh, this for you, eh? Asama, you are in that soup. I swear to God. What? My father didn't say.
Gbogbo ayé ń jẹ́jẹ́ ewúrẹ́. Àwọn ènìyàn ń jẹ́jẹ́ àgùntàn kan bọ̀ lọ́jọ́. Òórùn bí gẹ̀ǹjẹ̀ ọmọ rẹ̀ kan ṣoṣo tó pọ́n bí epo. Ohun tá a bá dà sókè ilẹ̀ ní bọ̀. Kó ṣàṣà iṣẹ́. My son.
Yes, Daddy.
No be you. Ìwọ kọ́ ni mò ń pè lọ́mọ ogún kan tí mo ní ogún. Fast. Carry. My son.
Baba.
You said.
I say I won't be herbalist, Baba. Now my keg I be that, Baba. I won't get power.
Carry. Or Marky.
He said I won't be herbalist. Can you imagine?
My son.
Baba.
This one called Awenibaku.
Awenibaku. But Baba beg, I feel go quick peace come. Peace they worry me, I don't feel lamb again.
Just go. I give you 2 minutes.
Okay, Baba.
Don't use more than 2 minutes. Yeah?
Okay, Baba. Nice. This man no say now because of my school IT, that made me come a shrine. I won't write everything about him and goals for inside this book. By the time I submit them for school, they go feel and say, see my guy. Hello? Hey! I found a Mozkoh. I do. Mom, we not call you from you again. Yeah, you for the do your own IT now. Me no hospital for the do my own IT. Oh. Wow, that is good oh. Where you for the do your own IT now? Me na downtown for the do my own IT oh. Where be downtown? You don't know downtown? Giant of crypto. Are you kidding me? Here at downtown, we do on all kind of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Make I shock you. Our app day on both Apple Play Store and Google Play Store. And the most sweetest part of this thing we say, withdraw and are free. Hello?
Gbàgbà lárúkọ aláìgbọràn wọ̀yẹ̀ ẹ̀wù. Ìkòyí ẹ̀sọ́ ògùn tó lọ. Ọmọ sọgbẹ́dìlé o, ọmọ sọgbẹ́dìgbòrò. Ọmọ sàkíbẹ̀dì ọjà. Ìkòyí o. Káàbọ̀. Ṣé dáadáa ló dé? Àti ìrètí rẹ. Káàbọ̀. Ṣé dáadáa ló dé? Àti ìrètí rẹ. Káàbọ̀. Ṣé dáadáa ló dé? Làkàkà o.
Baba, it be like say you get visitors. Me, I just go come. Tomorrow early morning, I go mount your shrine.
Tori Reni, all this merriment is because of you.
Because of me?
The gods are choosing you. You are the next priest.
We don't choose the job shop. Let's wait on the IT.
So my son, now everything when they do you be that?
Yes.
Hello Dave Ken.
How far guy?
I go resume now. Why are they ordering me?
But people don't submit their project too. The matter of anybody who submit project means something again.
You know I go be at the come.
Hope nothing, Baba.
My son, no problem, Jare. See what go happen, you go wait for me for a year. Okay. I want to rush go submit my project for school. At the come now.
Baba, you be student.
The gods are not just wise, they are also educated, my son. In a jiffy.
It disappeared.
We can't stress for this one. School go just the stress person. School go just the stress person.
Hope nothing, Baba.
My son, no mind them, Jerry. Now for school, I reach here and say me I submit my project. They say make I go photocopy then come. So what go happen now? Okay, see you get me rush go that cyber cafe for front. Tell they say one photocopy, everything when they say to let me go photocopy and come. Say Jerry, now 4 unit course that they talk about. I no confuse send you message. I never pay for my parakpo. I never pay for my departmental dues. Make I quit trade with downtown now. Make they send me naira. Me have to settle all these things, please.
Mozkoh, you said your head on the turn.
You never see my change.
Papa, where does that? Papa, you know say with just 1,000 naira, you fit gain up to 4 million naira every night. You go make money this update when I bring.
Hey, where you? I beg the change where the man. You don't give a gala and cook make it chop. Now how good they do you so? Work not to let you not let. For when I work, we don't use throwaway since 1955. Now you want start that. Hey! Jesus. Not to find work. Hungry go take you for this Lagos. You go cry.
You go cry. Carry the camera come. You go cry.
I beg give me the gala and coke, make I take follow up. At least today don't show.
Brasolo.
I been now.
I do.
Well done.
Where you they go for inside this hot sun?
I dey go my in-law place.
Your in-law place?
Yes.
My organ no deal. Let me see me just switch close. The sun is too much. I can go with you now.
No, wala now.
I'm a B.
Let me join you and go and see your in-law today.
Yeah, see my just settle down if I talk.
Beer must come out.
Which kind of dress is this guy come dress?
I'm all this your in-law. They get money.
They try.
Hey, who be all those one?
You get Gaman's brother. I'm fair Aladdin.
No be lie.
I greet you, bros. How are you, Lord? Name? See how your in-law, see how they're soft. Now, God, now carry you on this asshole. Go and do your good.
Safa, who you be?
I greet you, my brother. This man standing beside me is Solo. My name is Omogbengben.
Yes.
Anywhere you see me Omogbengben, you see Brasolo. Anywhere you see Brasolo, you see me Omogbengben. We are just like 5 and 6.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
He told me that you want to come and see his Zilo. Now, sir, I need to follow and come see Zilo too. Because anything Solo do, he tell me. If he not any get, he tell me. The way he scope them, he tell me. He not tell me my sister. Now, say I need to smell with my 2 eyes.
Your own a lie. So now you be the mumu teacher. We give my sister Bele. Scorpion.
When you go, they don't price match.
You not tell me see Bele involved.
Hey, I don't tell you that one.
If you talk everything, don't put me a problem.
Muna can see the mumu teacher. We give my sister Bele.
Scorpion.
Die.
These people don't like you. Wait. Now you Bele my 16, Abi.
Safa, lock that gate.
The blood of Jesus. Bros, come down. Never is like Jesus. Calm down now. Solo.
Jesus.
Solo. When you push you now, not tell me now. Solo.
So now we are the small children. When they say go school, me go learn. All in the name of teachers. Abi, I go use these 2 examples so that the real teacher out there they go learn. Mostly some useless coppers.
He never told me.
If you do it before, this one I go stop him. Go down.
Solo. He push you now, not tell me.
School now for to go learn, not to the harass children. We must save our society.
Jesus, I go carry some. Not press him. Don't use that one. Go pepper. That one go pepper. Not tell my head though.
I'll be smart in. I don't go enter. So don't need to come out now. So now you know get sense now. You just see person they go in own. You go follow and they go where they go. You learn and you learn the hard way. You feel me? So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section and make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. You understand? And since you watched to this particular place and you are yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. You understand? So see you in my next video, my people. Peace out.